Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the windshield washer nozzle on a Dodge Journey. Begin by opening the hood and locating the nozzle assembly near the base of the windshield. Disconnect the washer hose by pinching the connector and pulling gently. Use a flat screwdriver to release the retaining clip while supporting the nozzle from beneath. Remove the old nozzle, clean the area, then push the new nozzle into place until it snaps securely. Start by ensuring good light and a clear workspace so you can see the retainer clip. Reach up and locate the nozzle assembly and washer hose connection. Gently pinch and slide off the hose to prevent fluid spills on paintwork. Insert a flat screwdriver to press the retainer tab while you hold the nozzle to avoid dropping it. Remove the nozzle smoothly, inspect the seat for debris, and wipe the opening clean before installing When installing the new nozzle, align it carefully so the spray will hit the windshield center and not the trim. Press the nozzle into the opening until you hear or feel the clip engage, and then tug gently to confirm it is secure. Reattach the washer hose by pushing it firmly onto the barb, then run a quick fluid test from inside the vehicle to check the spray pattern and ensure there are no leaks around the connection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.